special figurine for this guy. 1 second. Rising before you is one of the Dragon Lord's most loyal undead soldiers. It's Ribula! Roll for initiative!
Tremble before Ribula!
I'm not trembling. I'm trembling!
Kick his ass, Luffy! Sure wish I had never stood it strong! Ready to cock! Spell pass! You know, please. The man here's gone a bit limp, Dragon Lord.
There's still time. You can seal the Dragon Lord away before he escapes.
Psych!
The Dragon Lord is free, suckers!
Oi! Dragon Lord! Come and get it!
That's good. Yeah, not happening. Come on, the Fate Maker never beats the villain in the first quest. Still, you're stronger than the ones she sent before. I wonder. We'll meet again, Fate Maker. But for now, I have to go pay an old shiny friend a visit. See you around the neighborhood.
Damn it, he got away. We gotta track him down. I want that big bad boss kind of loot.
The Fate Maker's journey begins as so many do, with a heart full of fire and dreams of dragons and magic. It will end only one way, with the ultimate defeat of all evil.
Despite your heroic efforts, the Dragon Lord has escaped!
Wait a minute. Did you hear what he said? Shiny? Friend? Neighborhood? I know where he's headed. He's after Queen Butt Stallion!
To warn Queen Butt Stallion of the Dragon Lord's escape,